Hi guys, we're starting my video off a little bit different for today's haul. I'm in my office first, but I'm gonna go make my way to Walmart. I need to pick up some things. I need some restocks, but then also I need to get some things for this sickness that's going on. So I just need to pick up like Kleenex and cough drops and things like that. I already started a little list. I am going to put my little header up there, and I always like to color. I don't know why, but we're gonna do that. But yeah, I thought because I needed to run and do all these things, I haven't done a Walmart haul in a very long time, so that's what we're gonna do today. So far I have Kleenex window cleaner, body wash, BB cream, cough drops, saline, lipstick, toilet paper. I just want to look at clothes. I just wrote down clothes because I just want to like look at it. Because I was just at Target and did a haul from Target. If you didn't watch it, I'll link it down below. I'm trying to build like my spring and summer wardrobe right now. I need my body lotion, which is the EOS vanilla, and I want to look at a Billy razor. And I'm still trying to figure out what else is on my list. I was like building it in my head, and of course I've forgotten things. So before I head off, I'm just trying to like write all of this down because I know that there's several things I need to pick up. Anyways, I have no idea if I'm gonna take you guys with me into the store or if we're just gonna jump straight into the haul after this. Pineapple juice. It's a natural cough suppressant. All right, just got back from Walmart. My nose looks a little weird because I've been wiping it, so the makeup is kind of off. The background, we have a little spring window and a cat, which is so cute. But yeah, I really could not stay in that store for very long. I feel like when you cough now, like post COVID, it doesn't get a very good reaction. It just makes me a little self-conscious. So anyways, so I did try to go through the store a little bit quicker than I would have liked, but starting off strong with my 4 boxes of Kleenex. I literally got to my car and opened it because I needed it. I've been out, I've been running on toilet paper, and I've gone through 6 total boxes from all of this. There's 120 Kleenex in each box times 6, that's insane. So anyways, this is a restock. I did not get toilet paper from my list, and I did not get the window cleaner. I don't know why. I couldn't find the window cleaner. And 2, I looked at the toilet paper and I just wasn't in the mood to grab it and put it in my basket. I have no idea why that is. So I don't have an explanation there. I also did not get a little golden book. Here's my list. I put a little golden book on the bottom just because I always like to see what Walmart has. They didn't have any that I liked. They had Bluey, Taylor Swift, Wednesday, nothing that like grabbed me. I more so like the more vintage ones. Also, I did not get the Billy razor because I already have those. I just thought that there would be some new like handle options, but I already have both of those. They had the glow in the dark one, but I didn't want to get that one. and I didn't get saline. They had saline packets, which I think was like a powder that mixes with water, I think, but I need like the saline liquid, so I didn't get that either. But I did get everything else on my list. So I needed shampoo and conditioner, and I am back on the cheap stuff, you guys. I just think that some of the more expensive stuff, while I still might buy them here and there, probably just due to like smells, if I'm being honest, I am back to good old Pantene. I used to stay away from this because, you know, I've just been like deep diving into, you know, sulfates, all that stuff. But as it turns out, sulfates is, I wouldn't say it's a good thing, but it's a thing that you need to like repair hair and keep it from getting damaged. I'm probably not speaking on sulfates enough to put that out on the internet, if I'm being honest. I just know I follow this girl on TikTok, and her whole account is like hair care, and she literally dives into Mythbusters and talks about all her like investigations and not investigations, but like, you know what I mean? Like, she deep dives and researches everything. And she talks about how part of, you know, hair care is, you know, sulfates. It like, I guess it coats your hair and protects it. So people also talk about how their hair just started growing more when they went back to cheaper shampoos. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. So I've been on Pantene in this last rotation, and my bottles went empty. So I upgraded and got the slightly larger bottles, and these were only $1 more than the smaller ones. So I thought, why not? These were $5 and like 47 cents. So I am doing the Pantene in the purple, and the purple is the volume because I also have super fine hair. So I also do the Garnier Fructis, the green bottle. I also do that one, but I don't know why I didn't get it. I just got that this time. I was completely out of my holy grail body wash. The moment, what's her name? Vanilla Swirl. I've talked about her. I stumbled upon her account on TikTok. She's out of Canada, and she has put me on so much, including my makeup. I've bought several new things in my makeup bag because of her. I just love her account. Her name is Vanilla Swirl, and she talks about all of her skincare, all of her bath routines. She's the one that got me doing the bar of soap. So I do this bar of soap, the shea butter and vanilla, which I already have. I didn't need to get any more today. And then she goes in with a body wash on top of it. And this is the body wash as well. So it matches exactly to the bar of soap. This is the shea butter and vanilla, and I get this big old tub. So I am obsessed with that combination. Let me take that back. Okay, then you saw I got cough drops, and I've already opened them. So I got the Ricola Cherry. I love the cherry one. This one goes super fast for me. It kind of feels like a little candy, but yeah. So there's that. This is the one I was looking for. You guys did not see me grab it and put it in the basket, but this is the one I was looking for. This is the Throat Balm, and it has a caramel flavor like inside. This one is my holy grail of cough drops, and I love it so much. I do not like minty methanol. Is that the right word? You know, like when you inhale mint and it's just like I do not like that at all. So I stay away from those. This one, I'm kind of wondering, is it gonna have that same concept? It's a honey lemon. Hopefully it's more like soothing than it is, you know, that has that minty thing going on. So anyways, throat care. So I'm stocked up on these, but guess what? These will go in a couple of days because the thing with my bronchitis and asthma is that anytime my heart is pumping, if my heart pumps more, it needs more oxygen, and the more oxygen I need to pull, the more I cough because my bronchial tubes are so inflamed. Literally the only time I don't cough is when I sleep. And I'm guessing that's because when you're sleeping, that's when your heart rate is at its lowest. Like, right? So anyways, so there's that. Then I didn't have this on my list, but realized I needed it. This is the Coconut and Vanilla Deodorant Native. I have been on this for such a long time. Did Native sponsor me once? I think they did. Such an easy sponsor because I just love them. I have been out of this for way too long. I don't know what took me so long to get this. Honestly, it's kind of what prompted today's video, but the moment Vanilla Swirl got me on the EOS Vanilla Cashmere, I mean, this guy right here is viral on its own anyways. Everyone loves this, and I can see why. It smells insanely good, like insanely good. If you're into vanilla. If you're not into vanilla, you will not like that. Then I got my BB cream. I have been on this for God knows how long, and I am just so thankful I stumbled upon it, because when I was wearing like regular foundation, I wanted to like scratch it off my face, especially living in Texas where it's super hot. I could not stand being in foundation. I could feel it on my skin. I can't even like talk about it. I felt icky. This stuff feels like skin. Like I don't feel it on my face, and it gives me just enough coverage for me personally that thankfully I don't have acne issues. Thank God. But yeah, this is just so good to me. And I do feel like it's slightly buildable as well. So if I want to like cover an area, if I do have a blemish that pops up here and there, I feel like I can kind of build with this. I'm in the color 120. I've gone as dark though as 130 a couple years ago for my family vacation. God, I miss being, I feel so pale right now. Anyways, then I desperately needed lipsticks in my life. I just don't have anything that I like right now. I need a cough drop. I'm gonna go with the caramel. And the more I talk, the more oxygen. Anyways, I'm so happy with these. So I got the NYX, and oh God, why am I so dumb? Why am I this dumb? Every time, without fail, I don't know what happens to me when I go into these stores, but I literally black out. Because tell me why I would get one where somebody's opened it. Like, you know what I mean? Why would I do that? Y'all, I do this every freaking time. It's so annoying. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. It's been around, God, I don't even know how long. Forever and a day. Okay, this is in the color, what color is this? Sugar High. Sorry, it took me a minute to find it. And then we have this color. This one's properly sealed, and this is in the color Bit of Honey. And I'm just gonna hold them up together so you can see the difference in the shades. Gorgeous. Then I made a little pass around the e.l.f. section. Honestly, I could have gone to town on some makeup today. I probably needed to. But again, I was just like, I gotta get out of here. This is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil, and they are gorgeous. And this is in the color Super Neutral. Has like an apricot, peachy, glowy, my camera. I just wanna like throw this on real quick. Let's just see. I don't know why my camera's like being really sensitive today with the autofocus. It's never done that. Not that I know of. But I'm just imagining this on top of like whatever lip combo, but gorgeous. I don't know. So I wouldn't pair a lip oil necessarily by itself. I would do it like over a lip combo. Then I saw these and I was just like, oh my gosh, what are they? I love Tree Hut. They are overnight lip masks. And I got one in strawberry that's on top and vanilla on the bottom. These were a little pricey though. I feel like they were like, I don't know. I don't want to say and be wrong, but I feel like they were like $8. But I really don't do enough to my lips in terms of like skincare. So I thought this could like get me started on that. Then I went to the clothing section, which I did write just clothing in general on my list. And this is what I came up with. Actually, one of these things cut my finger and I don't know what it is. I have been really into terry shorts. Like, is that what they're called? Like terry cloth? But whatever this material is, I've been heavily onto these shorts. I think they're such a cute pair. These actually have pockets in the front. So I love when they have pockets. And if you can tell, the back is slightly longer than the front, which I like. And these were $6.98. So I got this blue color. I also got it in a traditional gray. The amount of gray shorts I have is actually insane, but they are all different to me. And like a graphic tee, tennis shoes, throw on a hat, that's my spring look. That's what I'm gonna be living in. So I love that. And then I got I think it was this that cut my finger. I don't know. I feel like this just, I don't know. But look how cute this strawberry shortcake is. I love that huckleberry pie is in it, and apple blossom, which is strawberry shortcake's friend or sister. And then her little cat, Custard. Isn't that so adorable? And then the stripes on this, you guys know I've been talking about stripes lately. Like, I just absolutely adore this. This is in the size XXL, and I think it's made to be kind of a croppy shirt. Not too cropped, but it's not made to be like a regular sized length shirt. And so I did get the XL just to get some more length on it, and I'll wear it with like biker shorts when I go for walks or I go get the mail, or just like around the house. I think it's so freaking darling. I did go back to the section where I got my strawberry shortcake blind bags, and I saw the box for it, but it was empty. I don't know if my Walmart just isn't stocking them or what, or if it just like sold out again, but I did go double check. And that is my Walmart haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know that Instagram asked for a thrift haul, so that is coming soon. And I'm gonna have you guys vote again for another upcoming haul. So if you wanna be part of what videos I post here on my channel, definitely go follow me over on my Instagram. It's at CraftyGirl, and which is my OG name, by the way. My YouTube channel used to be called that. Who remembers? Have you been subscribed here since Cheap Crafty Girl, or have you been subscribed here since Crafty Girl? But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. It truly blows me away, like, just the consistent views that you guys give me, and that keeps me here on YouTube. So thank you so much. And I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye.